Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dose printed on the Sleep Enhance Herbalife label, then measure precisely. Use the provided scoop or a kitchen scale for accuracy. Take the recommended serving 20 to 30 minutes before lights out because absorption timing helps onset. Once done, avoid alcohol and large meals that compete with sleep. Make sure caffeine has cleared for at least 4 to 6 hours. Set a calm, dim environment to amplify effects and cue your brain that it is time to wind down. You now integrate the supplement into a reliable pre-sleep routine to boost results. Do 20 to 30 minutes of low-intensity activities like gentle stretching, reading, or paced breathing. Take the product at the same time each night because consistency strengthens your circadian rhythm and helps the ingredients work predictably. Once done with the dose, make sure screens are off for 30 to 60 minutes, since blue light can blunt melatonin-like responses. Keep water nearby, but avoid heavy fluids to prevent nighttime awakenings. You finish by monitoring outcomes for 1 to 2 weeks, logging how long it takes to fall asleep, nighttime awakenings, and morning refreshment, because patterns reveal whether adjustments are needed. If you notice mild side effects, reduce the dose by 1/2 for several nights, then reassess. If symptoms persist, stop use. Troubleshooting tip: if sleep is still fragmented, eliminate other stimulants and try taking the supplement a bit earlier or combine with a short relaxation practice before bed. Consult a clinician for pregnancy, nursing, or medication interactions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.